Video has started again. Hello guys, today I am going to stop this again. This one will be shoes. Okay, so sorry for the bad intro. So but we play right now, 6 people. Okay, let's start. Let's start this shit. Sixth, the night before the blizzard. Yeah. Okay. I'm going for a bang mom. Just kidding, man. Oh, put wood in the fire. I'm gonna put everything on there. Turn on the TV. Wait, let me just. Look at this. Yes, man.
Attention.
Okay. I think we're just delusion shiz type. Delusion. Ding 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 ding. About wooden storage. About to put wooden storage. I'll put it in there. Sprint. Sprint. Yeah. Chaos mode. More like this. I'm updating that sentence. And off. I'm obviously not completing my sentence. Yeah. To be fast for the blizzard damn problems. Okay. I'll put one extra wood and I'll tell everyone. I almost skip rep time. Okay, let's start. I'll just watch here. Skip rep time. Okay, didn't skip it, but hey, who cares, right? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What? On the damn lights on that. You're going on the damn lights. On lights. I didn't do this. Scared the hell out of me. I know that. This server is. Why do they never check? They never check. They never damn check. So, oh, he's coming, he's coming. He's coming. He's flash, okay, he's flash, he's flash. There's a wood. He coming, he don't come. Okay, flash. We can hear, get our ass here. Okay, great, we made it cool. Damn it. What just happened? Why is my screen gray? Why is my screen gray? What's this, man? The furthest I've survived. To what a sickness. Stupid. Keep begging you. I think here we go. Here we go. Oh, he's coming. Okay. Oh, he's flashed. Who's arrived? For sure. There's one, two, oh. Don't big me. Pushed it down. Flashed. Oh, I'm so low, man. Oh, he's coming. Always. Every single damn time. Always me. Great. Oh, God. Okay, that's it for the video. Bye, guys.